Today, I am going to show you exactly how to move issues between projects in Jira, whether you're shifting a single ticket or handling a whole bundle at once. If you've ever needed to reorganize tasks, send a bug to a different team, or just keep your projects tidy, mastering this skill will save you tons of time and keep your workflows crystal clear. By the end, you'll feel confident making these moves without a hitch. Let's dive right in. The secret to moving issues in Jira is the built-in Move feature. Now, before you can start using it, make sure your user permissions are squared away. You'll need the Move Issues permission for the project where the issue currently lives, and Create Issues permission in the destination project. If you're not sure about this, it's worth a quick check with your Jira admin. Moving issues without the right permissions is like trying to open a locked door. You're simply not getting through. Okay, let's walk through moving a single issue. Start by opening up the issue you want to move. You'll see the More Options menu. That's the little "Hey" up in the top right corner of the issue view. Click there and select Move. Immediately, Jira will pop up a wizard that guides you through 4 steps. Take your time here. Each step ensures the issue fits naturally into its new home. First, pick your new project and, if needed, change the issue type. Maybe you're taking a story, and it needs to become a task in the new project. This is your chance to get it right. Sometimes project types don't match exactly, so don't worry if you have to adjust. Next up is updating the status. Different projects can have totally different workflows. A ticket that's in review in one might need to be set as to do in another. Jira will prompt you to choose an appropriate status for the destination. If you're unsure, think of how you'd want someone to see it arriving fresh in the new project. Now, let's check the fields. Each project can have its own required info. Maybe the new team needs an epic link, or there's a custom field like component that must be filled. Jira will show you exactly what's missing, so just fill those in before moving forward. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to someone who works regularly in that project. They'll know what's needed. Once all that's sorted, you'll get a confirmation screen. Double-check your selections here, like a packing checklist before a big move. Then hit Move. That's it. The issue will hop from its original project to the new one, all neat and tidy. But what if you've got a whole batch to move? Let's tackle bulk moves. The trick here is starting with a smart search. Head to Filters and choose Advanced Issue Search. You can use basic filters or go with JQL if you're familiar. For example, maybe you want every issue assigned to your team, or only those past due. Once your list looks right, just check the box at the top left to select all visible issues. Take a breath. This part might take a few moments if you're handling a lot. Then find the More Options menu at the top of your search results and pick Bulk Change All X Issues. Jira will prompt you to choose the Move Issues action. From here, you'll get that same wizard as before. Carefully click through, choose the destination project, adjust statuses, fill required fields, and finally, review everything before confirming. A thoughtful bulk move can really declutter your workspace or enable smooth handoffs across teams. And there you have it. Moving issues between Jira projects isn't just organizational. It's a key part of making collaboration smoother and keeping tasks aligned as projects evolve. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own experience, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.